This looks like a free car that Area71 sent.
Oh, hell yeah. Well, who's gonna build it? That's the question, yeah.
250 GT, who has that one? SWB, this one.
Right.
Oh, that's your, yeah.
All right. That's what I'm talking about.
This is the one I almost picked. Strazdale, that one.
Ooh, what you got there?
This is that Strutdale.
Jerry, where'd he go?
The Stradani.
We got your 250 GTO, Jerry.
Oh, there he is.
Jerry! 250 GTO.
250 GTO 62.
Alpine 110, that one's mine.
This is mine and John Robert's name.
Ferrari Dino 246.
That could be George.
That's George's. You gonna see it?
But I thought I'd sell it to Jake Sean since he doesn't have one.
Nope. 904 GTS Porsche. This one is Mario's. We'll have to get that one too. Oh, that is you, buddy.
Ooh, whatever that is.
And remember, you have to paint your own car. 356 Emery. Mikey, that one's you. It is, but it's not.
You're actually asking me.
No.
Oh, okay.
This is my Mazda RX-7.
Nice. I like that. That's a good looking one.
Counting, everybody's cars have been sent out. These are the 1, 2, 3 prizes. The rest of the Hoonigan line.
All right. Nice.
So it's the Mustang, the Escort, and the Hoonipus 9112. The Porsche Ferrari 330 P4.
Damn.
Oh, nice. That'd be cool. How much you want for that one?
We're not selling them. The 330 is going to be the concourse price.
This one's
As
yellow.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is so
It's the
sick.
18K Predator from
Damn.
Hoonigan.
Yeah.
So you can give us a
But that's it?